Hi everyone, this is Parul. Welcome to BlissYogasg channel. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I'm a yoga teacher and sound healer. I teach yoga to adults and kids, and I've been teaching yoga for 5+ years now. I love to make yoga fun and enjoyable for everyone, and my biggest joy is in people achieving their health goals through yoga, making them feel good about themselves and spreading the love of yoga. So please subscribe to my channel. I post here new videos every week and it's completely free. It's a great way to build the yoga practice from the comfort of your home. Make yoga your habit and then your lifestyle. With the gradual practice of yoga, you will feel difference in your body and mind. You will feel more relaxed, more positive and more energetic. So I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you so much. Namaste.